Hi guys, my name's Stefan Wesley, the Digital Commando, and today I'm going to take you through how to set up your Facebook page. So, first things first, this is what your Facebook should look like when you're logged in, and this is on the newsfeed page. So the first thing you're going to do is on the left-hand side over here, it'll come with a list of different things to explore, and one of the things that you'll find somewhere on there is this pages. Now select that, it'll come up with any pages that you're currently connected to. But what we're going to do is create a new one. So in the top right hand corner, we've got create page. So let's go with that first. Now you can create different pages for different things. Now if you are setting up for a business or brand, it's on the left. And if you are setting up for a community or for a public figure, then it's on the right. So for this example, we're going to set up a business. So I'm going to go over here and select that. And I need to select a business name. So for this example, I'm going to create something called Potter's Flowers. There we go. Oh, I'll put a capital. Attention to detail is always key. And I need to select a category, and I'm going to be a florist. Then I need to select an address for my business. Now I'm going to use for this example the office address for our office in Leamington. So Warwick Street. So feel free to come and join us. And our city is Leamington Spa. Royal Leamington Spa, I apologise. And our postcode is CB325DN. So we're there. Oh, let's change that, that's wrong. 87 Warwick Street. Okay, and then we're going to put in a mobile number. So we're going to put in my mobile number. Feel free to give me a call if you need any help. Now, I'm going to say don't show my address for the purposes of this, but you can obviously show your address if you want people to come and see you in the business. So then we're going to get continue. Now at this point, obviously it'll start to set the page up. This will take a couple of seconds, and then it'll give you a couple of options of things that you need to do next, such as a profile picture. Now to set up a profile picture is nice and easy. It needs to be square, preferably. So here we go. Yeah, upload my profile picture. Now, if you do struggle with a profile picture or a logo, but you need to do something yourself, maybe on the cheap, then jump over to something called Canva, and you can create custom dimensions in that. So you can just pick, for example, an Instagram post, which we know is square, and then drop your logo onto there and then upload it into here. But for this purpose of this demonstration, to keep it quick, I'm going to skip that for now. And then after that, again, Canva's a great piece of software for this. You can create a Facebook cover photo, and then you can upload that as well. So that's like the banner background on your Facebook page. And I'm going to skip that too. And then essentially, guys, you're there. You have now a Facebook page, and Facebook's really good. It'll give you some tutorials of things you need to go through. Obviously, get some people connected to the page nice and quick. If you do have existing customers, this is the time to invite them and say, we're now on Facebook, come and join our page. Make sure you set over here a create a page username, because this will populate your username at the top of Facebook, where it will say Facebook pages and then the name rather than a load of numbers and letters. So that looks even better. So feel free to invite people along, change your cover photos, but the first thing you should do once you're all set up is go here to edit page info. And once you're in here, this will give you the opportunity to add things like a brief description of the business. You can add additional categories. You can update the phone number. You can update the website. You can add in your email address. You can check that you're in the right place on the map. Service areas, you can put different areas that you cover, and obviously you can do your hours. There are different things like the pricing, and make sure you add in your privacy policy from your website. That's always really, really good. Facebook loves that. And then if you do have other people in the business that you need to give access to, then go over here to page roles, and you can assign new people. You can add new people in just by, if you're connected to them, it's nice and easy, or you can put in their email address. So guys, that is how to set up a Facebook page. If you want to know the next step, what we're going to do is show people how to set up Business Manager. Okay, so that's the next role. If you do have an agency, they'll be able to do this for you, or a freelancer you're working with, then that's pretty much it. So guys, that is all from us for now. I hope this was a helpful video. Please feel free to share and comment and all those bits and bobs. But yeah, I look forward to seeing you all soon. Cheers guys, bye bye, peace out.